Hello everyone, welcome to Supergrads IPM and today here we are with our handpicked session. Yes, in this session we have handpicked questions from the CAT examination, which is the master of all MBA entrances, and we are expecting such type of questions in IPMAT also. So we have handpicked such questions and you can find these questions in your IPMAT examination also. So here we are continuing this series. Today we will be solving the questions from question number 26 to 30 and the topic is ratio and proportion. We are solving it for arithmetic family. So let's continue with this. We are done with number system, we are done with set theory, we are done with coordinate geometry, equation arithmetic 1, and today we are solving arithmetic 2, which is question number 26 to 30. And without wasting much time, let's go to the question. Here is the question, and before I start explaining, there is one thing you need to keep in mind, that is, do not cheat. Try it yourself and then jump on to the explanation part. So take a pause, solve this and then jump on to the explanation. Do not directly watch the solution. It will not make any sense or will not add anything to your brain. So have a look, pause your video here. Promise me you are pausing the video here, and once you have paused the video, just start solving this, and in the meantime I'm explaining. Then you can click on play and watch it. A fruit seller has a total of 187 fruits consisting of apples, mango and oranges. The number of apples and mango are in the ratio 5:2. So apples and mango are in the ratio 5:2. So I can write it as that apples and mango as 5x plus 2x plus, I don't know what we will call oranges. Let's wait. After she sells 75 apples, if she sells 75 apples, she will be left with 5x minus 75. If she sells 26 mangoes, she will be left with 26 minus, she will be left with 2x minus 26 mangoes. This is the data for apples. This is the data for mangoes. And half of the oranges. So if I have to do the half, I hate fractions, so I write it as 2O. So oranges will be, after selling out, will be left with O oranges. The ratio of the number of unsold apples will be this much to the number of unsold oranges will be this much. So they are giving me 5x minus 75 upon O is given as how much? 3:2. This is given as 3:2. And where we will get the second equation, this is one equation. I multiply, I get 10x minus 150 is equal to 3O. So I get 10x minus 3O is equal to 150. This is my one equation. Where will I get another equation? From here, the total number of fruits is given as 187. So I get 7x plus 2O is equal to 187. Multiplying this by 3, multiplying this by 2, what we get? 20x minus 6O is equal to 300. 21x plus 6O is equal to 187 into 3. That will be 600 minus 39. That is 561. Because 7 into 3 is 21, 2 carry, 8 into 3 is 24 plus 2, 26, 2 carry, 3 into 1 plus 2 is 5, minus, minus, minus. So from here I directly get the value of x. Minus x is equal to, oh sorry, I'm not minusing, plus, plus and plus, because already the signs are opposite. So I'll get 41x is equal to 861. 861. So 40 into 21 is 840. So this cancels. So this is plus 41 into 21. So the value of x comes out to be 21. If the value of x is 21, putting in this, I can get the value of O. So 21 into 10 is 210. 210 minus 150 is equal to 60. Is equal to 3O. So O comes out to be 20. So how many total fruits? X is, so how many total fruits? Apples are 5x. 5 into 21 is 21 into 5 is 105. How many mangoes? 2x. So mangoes will be 2x, that is only 42. How many oranges? That is 2o, that is 40. So these are the oranges. The total number of unsold fruits. So the unsold fruits, initially the fruits are 187. Unsold will be, she sold 75 apples and 26 mangoes, that is 101. And O oranges, that is 20. So 121 she sold. So how many we are left with? We are left with 66 fruits. So the answer is 66. Answer is 66. This is actual CAT question given on the theme of ratios. You just apply the logic, make the equation and get the answer. With this, let's proceed to the next question. And please let me know in the comment section how many of you got the answer right and how many of you did that mistake which is called silly mistake. But mark my words, none of the mistakes are silly. Every mistake penalizes you with the same negatives. So when Rajesh age was same as the present age of Garima, cheating तो नहीं कर रहे हो? Pause किया है ना video? So do not cheat. Kindly pause the video here before I explain, before I jump on to the solution. Okay, pause the video, try it yourself and then play it and then come back and then solve. So when Rajesh age was same as the present age of Garima, so we are talking about Rajesh age, we are talking about Garima's age. So when Rajesh age was same as the present age of Garima, so इसकी age x है, इसकी age y है. तो जब राजेश की age y थी, the ratio of their ages was 3:2. So let's put this as 3y and this as 2y. 3 क्यों कर दिया मैंने? क्योंकि मुझे वो रेशियो दिया हुआ था. When Garima's age becomes same as the present age of Rajesh, so we are talking about the future age. So this is about past. See, I don't want to get confused, so I'm writing everything and then we can talk about future. When Garima's age becomes same as that, the present age of Rajesh. So if Garima's age becomes x, the ratio of the ages of Rajesh and Garima will become, okay. So if I'm adding from here to here, what is the change? We are adding y. So from here to here, I will add y. So this will become how much? X is equal to 4y. If x is equal to 4y, it means Garima's age will be 4y in future. Getting it or not? Because Garima's age is x. If Garima's age is 4y in future, means from 3y to 4y, what we are adding? We are adding plus y. So we will add the same thing here, plus y. So this will become 5y. So what will be the ratio? The ratio is 5y is to 4y, which is equal to 5 is to 4. So the answer is 5 is to 4. Very simple question. Hope all of you got this right. Cheating तो नहीं की, सबने खुद से सॉल्व किया था. कुछ भी देखो इक्वेशन नहीं बनी, कुछ नहीं बना है. And such type of question, when you look at such questions, you will be like, ages के questions तो मुझसे होते ही नहीं है. I'm not solving this. But when you just put it on pen and paper, you will get to know that this is the simplest of all. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. In a village, the ratio of number of males to the females is 5 is to 4. So let's write that there are males, there are females, and the ratio of number of literate males to, pause the video here. Yes, pause it here. अभी तुम लोगों ने cheating नहीं की है, तो please pause it here, try it yourself and then come to the solution. So the ratio of number of literates, so we have literates and we have illiterates. Now what they are saying, let's put all these things here. The ratio of number of literate males to literate females is 2 is to 3. This is literate males to literate females is given as 2x and 3x. The ratio of number of illiterate males to illiterate female is 4 is to 3. 4y, 3y. If 3600 males in the village are illiterate, so 3600 males are literate. So 2x is equal to 3600. So x is equal to 1800. So this is equal to 3600. This is equal to 5400. Then the total number of females in the village is. So what is the total number of females in the village? So the ratio of number of male to female is given as 5:4. So this is given as 5:4. So I can write very easily that 3600 plus 4y upon 5400 plus 3y is equal to 5:4. So I multiply 36 into 4 will be 144,000 plus 16y is equal to 54 into 5 is 27,000 plus 15y. 16y minus 15y will give me y. 27,000 minus 144 will be 13,000 and then 400. So 12,600. So y comes out to be 12,600. So the total number of females is 7y. So 7y will be equal to, did I do something wrong here? 4 into 5. 4 into 4 is 16. This is 15. This is 54 into 5 is 27,000. 36 into 4. 36 into 2 is 72 into 4 is 1440. तो ये 12600 ही बचेगा. तो y का वैल्यू 12600 ही आएगा. ठीक है. So 7y. So and 3y. Okay, fine. The ratio of number of literate males to literate females is 2:3. And the ratio of number of illiterate males to illiterate females is 4:3. Males in the village are literate. So x comes out to be 1800. This is 3600. This is 5400. Is 5:4. Okay. तो y की वैल्यू काफी बड़ी होगी तभी ये पॉसिबल है. फाइन. तो y अपन ने निकाल लिया तो 7y कितना हो जाएगा? 7 into 12600. So 7 into 6 is 42, 4, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 22 carry, 7 or 2, 9, 90200. So the answer is 90200. Got it? Got this thing? Let's proceed to the next question. Rewatch these solutions if you're not getting it in one go, but try and remain as precise as I'm telling you. Do not spend much time in calculation because ratio proportion arithmetic family is all about quick solving. It's not about making the equations and then ending up getting a quadratic and a biquadratic equation. It is about just simplifying the things. Got it? Pinky is standing in a queue at a ticket counter. Suppose the ratio of number of persons standing ahead of Pinky. So this is Pinky. So number of persons standing ahead of Pinky is X. To the number of people standing ahead is 3:5. So this is ahead. So if ahead is 3x, then behind is 5x. So I can write as 3x plus 5x plus Pinky, which is 1. This is the total number of people in the queue. Is less than 300. This is less than 300. So 8x is less than 299. So x is less than 8 into 3 is 24 and I'm left with 59. So 8 into 7 is 56, so 37 point something. So x is less than 37 point something. So maximum value of x is 37. Then the maximum possible number of persons standing ahead of Pinky. So ahead, how many people are standing? 3x. So the maximum possible number is 3 into 37, which comes out to be 111. Answer is 111. अच्छा, तुरंत बताओ चीटिंग तो नहीं की? Did you guys not? How many of you did not pause the video? Please pause it again and again. I'm reminding. Whenever you are jumping to the question, pause the video and then go to the solution. So this is the answer. So let's see the length of the question and see the solution. This is the only part of the solution which we have to solve. And it's very simple. Got it? A sum of money is split among Aman, Sunil and Meeta so that the ratio of the shares of Amal and Sunil is 3:2. Amal, Sunil is given as 3:2. While the ratio of the shares of Sunil and Meeta is 4:5. Sunil and Meeta is 4:5. This is 2, this is 4. I can make this as 4. If I'm making this as 4, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So Amal is to Sunil is to Meeta is equal to 3 into 2, 6 is to 4 is to 5. If the difference between the largest and the smallest of these share, this is the largest, this is the smallest. So 6x minus 4x is given as 400. So 2x is equal to 400. So x is equal to 200. If x is equal to 200, then Sunil's share in rupees is. So what is Sunil's share? 4 into 2. That is 800. Very simple. Very simple question. Again, all these questions are CAT questions. So as to give you this clue that take the leverage of arithmetic sections, such type of questions can be asked, because here what is the factor which scares the candidates is the length of the question, is the language. But when you start solving it, it becomes very simple. Got it? So with this, we are done with today's session. Stay tuned for the next session. Please like, share and subscribe for more such content. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best.